Hi, I'm here working on my wife's F-Type Jaguar, and she wants to change from the black wheel caps to a gem style chrome one. And yeah, for reference, this is the stock and this is the gem type. You can probably see the three-dimensional effect of the gem type. And the trick here is to remove the wheel cap while it's still on the car. You can pop them out with a screwdriver when you remove the tire, but if you're not going to remove the tire, how do you safely remove the wheel cap? And I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing is to not use a sharp or metal tool. This is a nylon trim tool that won't scratch the hub. And you set it around very gently in the edge, and you can stick that in there around the edging of the actual wheel cap. You can see on the wheel cap that it's got a beveled or angled edging on it that you're accessing with the tool. And you press it up a little bit on each side, making your way go around smoothly. Don't get too aggressive because you don't want to break off the tabs that are on the back. And those tabs are really fragile. You can see the tab here. Those tabs can be easily snapped. So you just work your way around gradually. You get it loose, and then I put fingers on both sides and just lift it straight out. And there you have it. It's easily removed. And now you can just pop the new one in place. So now I've got it all cleaned up. Looks nice. And put it in gently. Focusing your fingers on all four sides so that no one tab takes all the pressure. And in you go. And that's it. Looks great. Thanks for joining. And don't forget to push the subscribe button.